We are not taking so much of profits from the students. We are providing affordable cost. Okay, so every course will provide at affordable cost. Compared to the market, you will get very, every course you will get at less cost here, and not compromising in the quality of the course. The quality of the course we are providing, very depth knowledge we are providing. By the time you complete our course from Naresh IT and you started searching for the job, you will get minimum 3+ years of experienced programmer knowledge. In any course you take, once you completed the course from Naresh IT, you will get 3+ years of experienced programmer knowledge. So that assurance we are giving here. You don't feel anything new in the company while developing the projects. So in the class, during class only, you will get project development experience. So that's why you have to choose Naresh IT. Super. Next. Now welcome to Java world. Okay. Tell me why you choose in Java. There are many other technologies are there in the market for getting job. Why you must choose Java? Tell me. Java is meant for developing applications development. Any business now you want to start, compulsory you need one application for selling the products, okay, reaching the customers and selling products, okay. That business applications are developed by using Java language, because Java language has vast predefined API for developing applications. If you choose Java, you can complete the project development very fast. And second very important point, Java providing security, high level security is providing to the applications. So if you develop application by using Java, hacking is very difficult. Okay. Next, we have, Java is having almost 20+ years of, journey in the market, IT industry market. There are so many products already developed by using Java. Then if you get a job by using Java, your job will never have problem. You never get into the recession. If not this company, in another company, you can get the job. Okay, getting job on Java is very easy, and they never face the recession problem. All my friends who got the job, we worked in the company, and also my friends still working in company. Complete world is facing recession, but my friends never face any recession problem in the companies. Okay, because Java is having, mostly Java is working on product based companies. Product based companies never have a recession. Only project based companies will have the recession. Okay, tools, small tools, if the company is using to develop project, okay, then recession will be there. But once you get the job on Java, your job is secured. There is no chance you are losing your job until you are lazy. Okay, if you are lazy person, not upgrading your skills, not learning next required training tools in Java, if you don't learn, you are always working with the old technologies, not upgrading yourself according to the company requirement, then obviously will be removed from the company. If you are upgrading yourself, your job is always safe. Second point, Java not only just providing recession-free job opportunity, Java will provide you an opportunity for both freshers and experience. If you are a fresher also, you can get job easily. If you are an experienced also, you will get job easily. As a fresher, getting job little difficult, because companies are not directly posting their job opportunities on the Naukri or other job portals. So you need some consultancy kind of institute who provide the placement. That's why Naresh IT is the best. So here we are providing not only depth training, we are also providing placements also. There are many institutes are there providing training and placement, but training is not providing in depth as we are providing. Many students who join in another institute, but still they are joining only for course training in the Naresh IT. Extra fees they are paying and again joining, especially for core Java, again they are rejoining in my class, because the depth training we are providing, they are not getting outside. And even we have working employees also in my class. Okay, knowingly or unknowingly they learn Java and got the job. After getting into company, they started facing the problems because they don't have strong knowledge at core Java level. Without having knowledge at core Java level, learning, working in companies, working in the project is very, very difficult. That's why your first priority is learning Java, core Java, very, very, very depth. So that's why people are retaking, again, rejoining core Java course from my batch. Okay, working employees also are there in the batches. So Java is providing recession free. Once you get the job, your job will be there forever until you are not working properly, not upgrading yourself, then only you are losing your job. If you work properly, there is no chance of losing job until you retire. The next Java providing both as a fresher jobs you can get, as an experienced job also we can get. Okay, then next, welcome to HK programming world. It is my own world. The way I am teaching subject is completely from zero. Why? I created my own programming world, separate programming world, because the way I am presenting the subject is completely different. I start Java from very zero level. Okay, I don't consider any prerequisites. If you are from IT background or non-IT background, I don't care. I will consider all the people don't know anything. I'll start from zero. Okay, na Babu? Mobiles will be after class, you can verify. Okay, don't open mobiles. Keep mobiles in a silent mode. Don't distract with the messages and all. This 1.5 hour class is very important for your career. Clear my point? So, keep your mobiles in silent mode, not in a vibrated mode. Silent mode means you don't know what is happening, right? So, vibrate means message coming, then immediately you are checking, then problems will come. Focus, focus, focus. Then tell me, here I'm starting Java training from very zero. Even programming already in academics you work with Java. Even though definitely day by day going on, you definitely realized that array, the Java what I know is zero. I don't know anything. Okay, slowly, even your working employee also, once you start attending my classes, slowly realized that, oh, there is a lot of things are there to learn core Java. So that much deep dive I'm going to give you in core Java, because core Java is your base for entire Java. Core Java never change. There is a language. Advanced Java changing, Spring Boot is changing, microservices changing, new things are coming. This year you're working on one concept, next year you're working on another concept. But core Java is a language, never changed. So if you learn language thoroughly, systematically from 0 to 100% every point, then there is no chance of failing in your interview. So that's why, because I teach core Java in depth last 20 years, I am able to sustain in our Java field without any problem. Okay, even Corona time also, even our COVID time also, I didn't face any problem. People are searching for me and join. Okay, so that's why my world is different, and definitely I will force you to learn in depth. Even you come to the class with to learn at just beginner level, I don't leave you at beginner level. Definitely I'll pull you to the intermediate level, and further I'll push you to the expert level, and I will send you out of my class with 100% 3+ years of experience developer knowledge. I will provide you and send that. Okay, then next, very important, in the sessions we are going to teach you, I'm going to introduce about me, and about you yourself also should know, about projects you should know, about courses you should know, about your career you should know, and about this particular course you should know, and finally about Naresh IT you should also know. What you can do from the Naresh IT, or what are the benefits you are getting out of Naresh IT also you should know. Finally, we will launch out what? About Java. Okay. Next, now tell me here, okay, I'm having 20 years of experience in Java training and 19 years of experience in development. Okay, I started my career as a trainer. Java trainer, because I love teaching. And then later I went to the development, because if you want to continue as a trainer, it's not a college. Just reading one textbook and teaching is not sufficient, right? So this training is for making you software engineer. If I am not software engineer, I cannot make you software engineer. That's why I got the job in IT industry, worked there for a few years, and then I come back as a trainer full time. Okay, and still I am in contact with my friends and taking the guidelines from them. What are the another changes? Any changes are happening in the industry? What are the new features coming? How they are using the new features as part of their project? Complete information I'm gathering and updating in the syllabus also. So you no need to worry about, how the industry is happening. Everything I'll teach you from zero and I'll make you 100% experienced. Okay. Meghana and Prasad, can you rejoin once again? Maybe you can see that. Meghana and Prasad. Use, if still not working, use another browser. Have you installed WebEx client software in your system? Archana, Meghana, try another browser. You asked me a question. After training, how many hours I have to spend for learning? It is your capacity. It's depend on your brain. Some people may get revision in 5 minutes. Some people may require 1 hour. Some people may require 2 hours. It's depending on your receiving, remembering capacity, right? So that I cannot tell how many hours you need to spend. It's depending on your brain capacity, receiving capacity. Okay. So now from my side, I am promising you 100% guarantee I'll make you software engineer. From Naresh IT point of view, management is promising you provide the placement 100%. But provided you have to write one exam, if you pass in that exam only. And that screening test exam will be offline exam. You have to come to Hyderabad, write exam, and after get placement in placement batch, you have to attend the placement batch offline, not online. Screening test exam we will conduct every 2 months. Okay, every 2 months we will conduct the screening test exam, and screening test exam passing is very, very, very easy. Nothing is there because we are learning Java completely, na? There is no choice, nothing. Completely we are learning. Screen test exam passing is very easy. Don't worry. Leave it to me. I will take care of it. Now, yesterday I have asked a few questions. Once again, for new students, let's quick do revision. Tell me about yourself. Why are you here? Many students are saying we are here for learning Java. Okay? Smiling. Software engineer smiling means your answer is wrong. Remember it. In your company also, if you're a team lead, when you give answers, your seniors are smiling at you means you are giving answer is what? Wrong. Okay? Next. Why are you learning Java? For completing course? Many students are having only one thought. What is that? I want to complete the course. Arey, for completing course, why did you join the course, Rababu? Completing course is not your job. First day people join the course and immediately post a message to me, sir, when this course completed? Join first day only, why you are asking for completion course? What question you should ask me? Sir, how much depth you will teach me, sir? How much knowledge you will give me, sir? Your course may make me software engineer. Can I pass the interview? Can I survive? Will I get the job or not? These kind of questions you must ask. But what question you are asking? When this course completed? How many days you will take to complete this course? For completing course, why are you joining? That is a wrong process you are there. It is not college, right? Okay, 6 month semester, we have to complete syllabus, write the exam, pass exam. It's not syllabus. It is not a what you call college, or it's not a university. It is your career. Focus on how much depth knowledge the faculty is giving. Let him take how much time he need, but force him to teach full knowledge suitable to the software industry to get the job and survive in the company. That mindset you must have. So completing course is not the target. What your course must be? What your target must be? Getting job. Okay, you are learning Java for getting job. Then tell me, for after getting job in company, what will you do? What will you do in company? In company, you are not going to teach Java, you are going to develop projects in Java. So then for developing projects, then tell me what you must learn. Just Java sufficient? No. Java is providing only language concepts. How to use this language concept, how to write a small program using this language concepts only you will learn. But first language concept to second language concept to third language concept, all you have to combine and you should learn how to develop a project. So your target must not be just learning Java, your target must be developing project. And the biggest mistake you did in your academics and also in another YouTube training or some other trainers, they will write complete program in a single class writing, they're only extending, they're only multi-threading, they're only exception handling, they're only main method, everything they will write in a single class. A big program, single class they will write, that will not make you software engineer. In a company, we will develop multiple classes. For each task, we write separate class. For example, addition, one program, subtraction, second program, multiplication, third program, bank account, one program, loan account, one program, next exception, one program, bank, ATM, one program, main method class, another program. Like we have to divide all these programs as a modularized way. Multiple programs we have to develop. When you divide the programs and develop all concepts in a single program, then we call it as what? Project. So you have to learn each concept from the project point of view, not from your academics point of view, right? Just writing one program and seeing output and saying that, okay, task completed, that is wrong. Then tell me, what is our course must be? Our course must not be just Java. It is not sufficient. You should learn project development by using Java. Is everyone understand? So this is what our course, project development by using Java. So tell me now, we are planning to develop, what is our course title? Our course title is Core Java and Full Stack Java Development with Project and Interview Preparation. And tell me, I am planning to teach you from 0 to 100%, from beginner to intermediate to expert level. All are you ready for learning at this level? Okay, you starting as a beginner, 0. Then after slowly by teaching the concept one by one, we are developing small projects, small interview questions. Then you are moving from beginner to what? Intermediate level. Then slowly I will increase the depth of the program, increase the depth of the project, increase the depth of the interview questions, and then developing some little bit big projects. That is where we are making you expert. By the end of this core Java and full stack Java development completed, you will going out as a 3+ years of experienced developer, 100%, no doubt in that. Okay, na? Right. Just believe me and continue. I'll make you definitely expert. You will enjoy my course, my training definitely. Okay. Then next, just learning Java sufficient? Now, what is our target? Becoming Java student or becoming software engineer? Software engineer. We don't want to become Java student. We are going to become software engineer. What is the meaning of software engineer? A software engineer means must develop one project. So by end of this course, we must become a software engineer for developing a project by using Java. Muhammad Sadiq, did you get any question? Did you get any doubt? Muhammad Sadiq, did you get any doubt? Now, what I am teaching, you got the doubt or a different topic doubt? Are you in the classroom? Are you in the discussion room? Archana, are you in the doubts session? Are you in the class? Class means first you should listen. Yes or no? When you are in offline class, what will you do? Practice. What you practice? In the classroom you practice. First you will listen. What trainer is saying, first you will listen. Okay? And then you will post your questions, right? One side I am training something, one side I am telling something. Another side, if you keep on posting the questions, then how can you focus on what I am saying? Your doubt is not clear, and what I am saying also will not come to your brain. So first you listen what I am saying, what I am training to, what I am planning to training, what is my style of training, how to adopt my training as a student when you join the course. First come to that path. Come to that path. Did I ask you share your questions? No, na. When I am doing some work, if you keep on posting the questions, I don't see your questions and you will get hurted because I am not giving focus on your question. I am not giving attention to your question, right? So first you listen what I am saying. First you act. Is my way of training is suitable to your career or not? First you come to know that. Then I will give you other details. And in the middle of the class or end of the class, I will give you time to post your questions. All your questions will be cleared by end of the session. Okay, it is not my first batch now. You are first time attending my class, right? But I already told you I have 20 years of experience in training. And what student getting question, what student getting doubt, I know or no? So please wait. Don't keep post the questions. It will distract your listening. And stay away from the keyboard until I asked. Okay, na? If you got any doubt, just simply take a pen and paper, write on the paper. When I ask you, then post the questions in the chat window. So please listen what I am saying. My style of training is suitable to your learning or not. First you come to a decision. I'll give complete information. Come on. So by end of this course, I am expecting every student become a software engineer for developing a project by using Java language. Now, I have a question now. It's very, very important in a software industry. If you want to become a software engineer, software means what? A software development, olden days, in my childhood, only one language is used. Only one language is used. Java means only Java. .NET means only .NET. Python means only Python. But now, the style of development of applications are changed. The company is expecting you as a all-rounder. You know Hardik Pandya? Tell me now. You don't know Nitish Reddy? They are what? All-rounders. Tell me, when all-rounder skills you are projecting, then definitely your place will be there in the team always. Only if you are injured, your place will be not there. If you are ready for playing any format, you will be there in the team. Company is looking for all-rounders. What is the meaning of all-rounder? In a project, there are different parts are there. In all these parts, as a developer, you must work in any part of the project. You should not say, I know only Java, I will work only Java development. You should not say like that. Now, if you ask, hey, go and develop HTML pages. Yes, boss, I'll go and develop. Hey, go and develop a PLSQL scripts. Oh, okay, boss, I'll go and develop. Hey, go and develop Python scripts. Oh, okay, boss, I will develop. I got a new project on .NET. Oh, okay, boss, I will write. I got a project on AWS. Oh, okay, boss. I need to work on DevOps. Oh, okay, boss. You should not say, I am a Java developer. What nonsense are you talking? You should not. Why? Why companies are come to this decision? They are recruiting all-rounders. not recruiting a specialist, because cost cutting. Olden days, for every department, we have a separate developers. Now HTML pages developers are called web designers. Java developers are called web developers. Database developers are called PLSQL developers. Python people are called Python developers. .NET people are called .NET developers. What requirement is there in the company? That requirement specific developers are recruited and posted there. But slowly, what companies are started understanding, even I also personally experienced in my company, when one team person is not there, other people are silent. For example, problem in HTML pages. Then Java developers and PLSQL developers are silent. They are not working. Why? Because if the in HTML page problem is solved, then the data is moving from there to Java end. Then Java end they will work. If Java people completed their task, then PLSQL developer will develop the code. So this division was there. Hence, people are escaping from working. Then slowly companies, what they said, "Arey bhai, you are not Java developer. We are resolving all the teams. We are destroying, deleting all the teams. We are making only one team, that is called full stack development team." What the development team name? Full stack development team. What is the meaning of full stack? You know, full pack means single pack, full pack means what? All varieties will come. Full stack development means a project has multiple parts. All these parts are together is called what? Stack. One on other, if you arrange something, that is called what? Full stack. On HTML, Java is there. On Java, database is there. One on other you arrange, that is called stack. And this is a full stack. Okay. A developer who is coming into company should be a full stack developer. If HTML team developer not come, Java people should go and solve that problem and continue with Java. PLSQL team not come, Java people has to go and develop PLSQL. PLSQL team, Java team not come, PLSQL team has to come and work in the Java development. So now in the company, there is no department. We have only one department in the company called what? Full stack development. So if you are saying, I am a Java developer, I want Java job, you don't have job. I am a HTML developer, I want HTML job, no job. I am a Python developer, I want Python job, no job. Your resume must contain full stack developer keyword. If not there, your resume not shortlisted. That means as a developer, you should know a complete project development knowledge you must have. I know only one part of development, you don't have job. You should know batting, you should know bowling, you should know fielding. If required, you should also do keeping, like Virat Kohli. Okay, he can do keeping also, you know, right? So all departments he can play. So if you are a all-rounder, then you will get job. So what is our target? You must able to develop a project by using any language. So what mind you have to keep? Your mind should be, I will develop the project by using any language. That is the target you must have. Sir, any language means how to attend an interview, sir. Then you should choose one language which is having more interview opportunities. Java is having more interview opportunities, more job stability is there. Okay, recession will never come to the Java platform. Hence, we are choosing what? Java. Along with Java, my recommendation, have some idea on Python scripts also. How to write a small programs in Python. You must be a Java full stack developer expert plus extracurricular activities what? Python also. Tell me, every cricketer can play football or not? But every footballer can play cricket? No. A tennis player can play cricket? No. A cricketer can play tennis? Yes. A cricketer know all other games. Cricketer is expert in cricket, also can play other games. But other players never cannot play cricket. So Java is a cricketer. Java developer is a cricketer. A Java developer can play with Python, can play with what? Scala, can play with any new technology coming in the future, because Java is the base for all programming languages and Java is the base for all new technologies coming in the market. Hence, a Java developer getting job, sustaining the company job and moving from one platform to another platform is very easy. That's why I always recommend choose the Java as your career. In future, if required to go to write Python scripts as part of Java also, you can write. I will teach you difference between Java and Python in tomorrow class, not today. Why should you choose Java and why should you also learn Python? In tomorrow class with examples, I will explain it. Okay. Then finally, we come to a conclusion that I must become a all-rounder. By end of this course, you must become what? Full stack developer. Everybody got clarity? Yeah? Right. Then tell me, as a full stack developer, what are the different courses you have to learn? Why you should learn? Let me tell you, software development life cycle. Okay, very important. Software development life cycle. Tell me, as part of software development, that it is going across multiple phases. First, collecting requirements from the client. Second, analyzing the requirements. Third, designing the project. These three works you are not doing in the company. It is not your role. Okay. Collecting the requirements from the client done by the manager team. Analyzing the requirement done by the manager team. Designing the project will done by the designers with manager team. Then the design documents PDFs are giving to the developer. Now the development is coming into picture. Now coding, you writing the program. After writing program, you are testing that program is working or not. Who is testing? Testers are testing or developers are testing? No, developer only testing. Bro, one cook is preparing the food. He is tasting the food is good or not? Tasteful coming is the same cookie is only testing na? That is called unit testing. And then after he felt okay, everything is good. Now the food is served to the customer. Customer is also testing na? That is called testing. Okay. Now coding completed, project is ready. Coding project functionalities are tested by the developer. That is called what? Unit testing. After unit testing completed, project is built. Means entire project is prepared as a one exe file. Deployed means placed in the server computer and providing access to the testers. Now the testers, by using Selenium code, they are testing the project and delivering to the client. Then client also doing the testing and further placing in the production system, giving access to the customers across the world. So repeat once again. In software development life cycle, we have 9 phases. For the first phase, collecting the requirements from the client. Second, analyzing the requirements. Third, designing the project. Fourth, coding, unit testing, building, deploying. Then testing and delivery. Here, first 3 tasks are not done by the developers. Last 2 tasks also not done by the developers. These 4 tasks are done by the developers. Adhiksha, you tell me, who are you? Are you a manager? No. Are you a tester? No. Who are you? You are the developer. You want to become developer. That means in the company, you are performing how many tasks? These are the 4 tasks. Coding, unit testing, building, and what? Deploying. So these are 3 tasks. Listen, these 4 tasks are divided into 2 phases. Number 1, coding and unit testing comes under what? Development phase. Building, deploying comes under what? After a development. Then tell me, as a developer, you have to perform how many tasks? 2 tasks. Development task and after development tasks. Okay, first let me understand development task. As part of development, what are you doing? Coding you are doing. So how many types of coding you are doing? 3 types of coding. Number 1, UI. Number 2, programming. Number 3, database. First one is what? UI. Second one is what? Programming. Third one is what? Database. Slowly sleeping. Slowly going into sleeping mode. Open your mouth. 7:30 a.m. and sleeping time. Yes or no? Morning 5 o'clock you woke up, getting ready, travel all the way and come to the class. Full AC room, okay, cool room. Then what happened? And my voice is nicely, very smooth like your mother voice. Okay, keep on talking. Your brain go to sleeping mode. Okay, na? Girls, you also sleeping? Boys sleeping and okay, no problem. But girls should not sleep. Okay, right. So, answer why that? Because 33% reservation. Okay. So sleeping should not be done in the class. All people has to wake up, reply, slowly reply. Everything you will understand. Without telling you this, I cannot launch the syllabus. Okay, why this syllabus you have to learn? How much this heavy syllabus you have to learn? Idea is required, na? That's why I'm launching all these points. Please wake up, don't sleep. Speak, speak, speak. Open your mouth, try to speak. Tell me now, how many phases are there in the software development life cycle? Come on, how many phases? 9. Among nine phases, how many phases you are involving? 4. What are the 4 phases? Come on, coding, unit testing, building, deploying. Coding, unit testing is comes under development. Building and deploying comes under after development. In the development phase, generally we call what? Coding. Tell me, how many different codings we are providing? 3. What is the first one? UI. Second one, programming. Third one, database. Oh, that means a project is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. Okay, let me draw that one. A project is divided into 3 parts. What the 3 parts? Everyone sleeping? Reply. Have a habit of speaking in the class. Don't sit silently. It is your class. You have to make the class active. You have to make the class interactive. Active? Interactive. This is what? Project. After this, I will launch the real project, Amazon, Flipkart, your favorite websites also I will discuss. Come on, wake up. Who are you? Hurry, come on, who are you? Developer. What developer? Project developer, right? What developer? Which project? Part of the project or full project? Full project. Full stack developer. You are a full stack developer. Every project is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. First one, UI. Come on. Second one, everyone, come on. Programming. Third one, database. Okay, UI, programming and database. What is the meaning of UI? UI stands for user interface. Programming means programming. Okay, programs we are writing. Database is generally will represented as a drum diagram. Online students, reply along with me. Use chat window. We are entered into subject. YouTube live students, you can also use a live chat and you can reply so that I can see your messages, and if you are doing any mistakes, I can also correct you. Okay, YouTube live, online attending, WebEx online attending students and offline. All 3 platform students has to reply. We entered into subject. This is your next coming 6 months. What you are doing, I am presenting. If you don't remember this story, next classes are difficult. Tell me, our approach is academics approach, projects development approach, projects development. Projects development approach means first you have to understand project. In project, how many parts are there, you should understand. To develop each part, what is the course I have to learn, also you should understand. So today class is project architecture and understanding syllabus. Full stack Java syllabus, core Java syllabus and project architecture is the target. Okay. Then tell me, every project is divided into how many parts? Come on, 3 parts. What the first part? UI. Second part, programming. Third part, database. What is the meaning of UI? UI is nothing but we have a user interface, okay? We have end user. Na? So this end user, we need to take the inputs from the end user and display output to the end user. Now tell me, here Mr. End user taking chair, okay, this is the chair. Big chair is taken and then he sit on this chair. Ayo, padukunnadu. Okay, and then working with this project. End user, nice end user. Eh? Who is this? You only Rababu, okay? End user. End user means The end person who is accessing our project and doing transactions. End user first accessing what? UI. UI is providing two screens, sir. UI is providing two screens. What the first screen? This is called form. What we call it as? Form. FORM, form. Form is nothing but registration form, you know, login form, you know, means text boxes, label text boxes will be there. Label, enter username entering purpose, one text box. Enter password, for entering password purpose, one text box. Come on, okay? You are a developer, you should know all these things. And finally, there is a one button, submit button or login button or sign up button. When you click on this button, tell me, the details what I am sending, the data should store in the database or not? To store in the database, we have a concept called what? Table. What the concept? Table. Come on, what the concept? Table. Now, table. What is a table? Table is not our real world table, okay? Table is nothing but columns and rows. Columns and rows. User ID, username, password, email, mobile, all the details what user submitting from the registration form will go and store here. Now, tell me, whatever end user giving data has to store in this database. For that, I need from UI form, whatever he entered data in the UI form, whatever the data he entered in the UI form, and when you click on this submit button, when you click on this submit button, when you click on the submit button, this data has to go and store inside database. For that, can form directly access the database? No. In middle, we need programming. What this programming will do? This programming contain nothing but one program above. Okay, one program is there. This program responsibility is what? Performing validations and calculations, performing validations and calculations, generating result or errors, generating results or errors. So totally what this program is performing two operations. What is that? Validations and calculations. Validation, all these terminology is new to you, no problem. Slowly you will understand, don't worry. Everything don't expect in the first day only everything you understand. Okay, slowly everything you will understand. Generating result or errors. So finally tell me now, what is the job of this program? This program is responsible for performing validations, calculations and generating result. Then this result, it generate the result, okay. Now this result has to be stored inside where now? Database. The form given data is given to whom now? Program. Then the program perform validations and calculations and generate what? Result. That result has to be stored where? In database. Okay, or if errors are generated, this error has to be displayed on the UI form now. For displaying UI or for displaying what? Result. For displaying result or for displaying errors, we need some other UI. That UI is technically called, this UI is technically called report. What we call? Report. So tell me, how many parts are there in HTML form? How many parts are there in the UI? Two parts are there. First one is what? Form. Second one is what? Report. So tell me, form is carrying what? Inputs. Again, form is carrying what? Inputs. Form is submitting the inputs to the program. Then program performing validations and calculations, generating result and errors. Those results are nothing but what? Output. So the output, either result will come or what will come? Errors will come. Then tell me, once again, all the complete flow. End user gives the inputs to whom now? Form. Form giving those inputs to the program. Program performing validations and calculation generating result or errors. Those results are stored inside database table or can be displayed on the displayed on the UI to the user. Errors also displayed to the user. So what will come here? Here we will get output or errors. We'll get output. Output place what I can say? Result. So result errors will be there. Result is in blue color. Errors in what? Red color. Danger. So this is the project, Nana. Daily in your next coming, can I say 40 years? Next coming 40 years of your life working in IT industry. In IT industry, daily you are working on this project only. Okay? So tell me, try to recollect. Sir, please dictate the notes, sir. How can I remember, sir? I'll dictate the notes, not now. Okay? First, I want you digest these points and feel it. Okay, this is what I am doing daily in my office. Okay. First, you feel it, then I will write the notes. Don't worry about the notes. Now, so tell me, first point. Every project is divided into how many parts? 3. First part is what? UI. Programming, database. What is the job of UI? UI is responsible for taking the inputs from the end user, giving to program, taking the output from the program, display that output or errors to the end user. That is the job. So UI is divided how many parts? 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? Form and reports. Everyone should speak. These are the new words now. Is today class time pass demo class or subject class? Subject class. In my class, there is no demo sessions. Time pass sessions will not be there. Every day you are learning one or two new points daily. Okay. So tell me, every project divided into 2 parts: UI, programming, database. What is the job of UI? UI provides forms and reports. It is responsible for take the input from the end user using form and giving to submitting to the program. Program taking output and errors. UI is taking program from the program reports and errors by using report and displaying it to the end user. Second, what is the responsibility of the program? Programming part provide the programs. What is the responsibility of program? Program is responsible for take the input from the form, perform validations and calculations, generate a result or errors. If result is generated, store in the database and display to the end user. If errors are generated, throw that errors to the end user. Okay. Next, database is responsible for storing the data in the database permanently by providing tables. Database is responsible for storing inputs and outputs permanently in the database by using concept called what? Tables. So tell me, UI provides what? Forms and reports. Program provides what? Validations and calculations. Database provides what? Tables for storing data permanently. Everyone understand at this point? Simple, very simple way I have explained. Slowly we will make it complex. Complete architecture I will give you later. At this minute I can very basic level project. Then now let's go to the try to answer now. I want to use one real-time project now. Apply this knowledge on this real-time project. Look at here. I am going to use, tell me one website, your favorite website. Tell me your favorite website where you are buying, selling or purchasing something. Amazon? Okay. Let me take Amazon.in. When I open browser, type Amazon.in. Everyone should answer. Okay. Is this page what I am seeing? Is it available in my system? Arey, come on here. Is it available in my computer? No, it is not available in my. All people know English? Sorry, I forgot to ask this question. Everybody know English? How many people? Telugu people? Telugu native language people. Nobody is there. Telugu native language people, how many? And Ajala Adangala, Telugu channel and the Mandra Babu. 40, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. Okay. Non-Telugu people. Telugu Naimalum people. Oh, so many people are there. Okay. So, all the people know English? I don't know Hindi. Okay, mujhko Hindi nahi pata, nahi aata, nahi pata. Only that one I know Hindi. Okay, mujhko Hindi nahi aata. Okay, if you don't know English, you should also learn English. Sir, how can I learn English? I will suggest you some apps. I'll suggest you some apps. Okay, please follow that apps. Improve your English along with Java. In interview room, you have to speak in Telugu, Hindi, or English. English. Currently, I am speaking in English or in Java English. Not English, Java English. I don't know English. If I know English, I would become English teacher. No, why Java teacher? I know only Java. How to speak Java in English? Currently, I am speaking Java English language, not English. Ardhamainda Raja? So, you want to get a job, in interview room you have to speak Java English, not Java Hindi, not Java Telugu. You should explain Java in English language. So, if you want to catch any new language, you should speak. By listening, you never learn. By writing, you never learn. Only speaking. Tell me, in your childhood, which school you joined to learn Amma, Nana, Tata, Atta? When you born, 1 year coming, slowly you started speaking, na? By which school you join? Which institute join? No institute. Mother is saying, you are repeating after mother. Father is saying, you are repeating after father. Then within 1 year, you are started speaking big sentences. With grammar mistakes, no mistakes, no mistakes. Why? Is it the talent of the school or talent of the kid? Talent of the kid. The kid is replying after the mother, father. So catching. After joining the school, in the school, what the kid is learning? How to read, how to write. Going to school, not for learning. Learning only how to read and write. So currently we are not in the position of reading and writing, only in the position of listening and speaking. Listen, speak, listen, speak. Automatically you will start understanding, automatically start writing, automatically can start reading. Reading is always last stage. First stage is listen. Second stage, speak. Third stage, write. Fourth stage is what? Read. But what is the biggest mistake we did in our colleges? Always write. Write. Finally become what? Writer. That's why you will come to the Amirpet again. Okay, if you in college only, if you learn speaking, you would not come to the Amirpet now. In Amirpet also, again, you are expecting to write. Finally become what? Fail and go to Amberpet. Next to Amirpet, Amberpet there, okay? Change your mind. Try to speak. Lose that fear. Lose that shyness. Try to speak. Look at here. Now when I access Amazon.in, is this Amazon homepage is available in my computer? No. It is downloading from internet. That means Amazon is what type of project? Standalone project installed in my computer or installed in the server computer accessible throughout the internet. Come on, first option or second option? Use some board to talk. In my system or internet? Internet. Accessing through internet. Again repeating. Is Amazon project installed in my computer, accessing from my computer? Answer is what? Yes or no? No. Come on, try. Yes or no? No. I'll force you to speak. Until you not speak, I'll not go to the next point. Don't waste time. Don't be a listener. Try to be speaker. Come on, speak. Next. Or this project is available somewhere in the world in server computer. When I access via browser with a network, it is downloading into my computer and it is downloading into my browser, running and displaying the output. Which one is right? Standalone or internet? Oh, I should also learn next coming classes what is standalone application, what is internet application. Java meant for developing standalone application, internet application, or both. Okay. These are the points also I should learn in the coming class. Okay. Next. Now tell me, this project downloaded. Tell me, just now we understood a project has 3 parts. How many parts? UI, programming, and database. Tell me, what is this? Is it a UI or programming or database? Excellent. Everyone should answer UI. Girls, you start, automatically boys also will start. Okay, na? I'm observing last 20 years, boys are having a lot of shy feeling in front of the girls, right? You start speak, automatically boys also follow you. Okay, na? Follow, na? You want to be a follower or leader? Follower. Leader. But then speaker. And tell me, how many parts are in the project? 3. First part is what? UI. In UI, which part is there? How many parts are in UI? 2 parts. What are the 2 parts? Forms and reports. Forms and reports. What is form doing? Taking inputs. What report is doing? Displaying output. Tell me, it is a form or reporter? Come on, everyone. Is it a form or reporter? Tell me, where it is taking input? Form is meant for what? Taking input. Report is meant for displaying output. Tell me, what this page is doing? It is asking you enter data, na? Or asking you read my data, na? What are you doing, mama? By seeing this screen, what are you doing? Are you giving inputs or reading output? Reading output. It is giving some information to you. Babu, in my Amazon store, these are the different products available. Which product you want to buy? Which product you want to explore? That means what is doing? It is giving information to you. Is it form or reporter? Report. Yes or no? Wrong answer. Form or reporter? Bolo. It's a form or reporter? Report. Wrong answer. I said wrong answer. Come on again. Form or reporter? Use your brain. Array, I said report, this fellow saying wrong. Already you told form. Again he is saying wrong. Oh, it is not form or not report. Then what is it? It is a home page. What we call it as? It is called what? Home page. A home page is a combination of both forms and reports. Online students, understanding? It is called home page. The first page downloaded into our browser is called what? Home page. The home page contains both forms and reports. Where is the forms? Here, login page, sign in. Sign in page is what? Pure form. It is asking me enter the mobile number. Ready? I'm entering the mobile number. My mobile number I'm giving 9010454584. Array, it's a working number. Don't call. Any missed call, don't give. Okay? It's a valid number. 9010454584. Click on continue. Hey, what happened background? Tell me. When I click on continue, continued, sir. Ain't continued, right? You are not a user. You are a developer, na? Being a developer, when I click on the button, what happened? You should tell that point. Go back to the project. Where is the project? Go back to the project. Tell me. Explain this project. Apply that point on the project. First step, end user access the project. Then project has shown what? Form, login form. I gave my mobile number. Click on the continue button. When I click on the continue button, next page I got. That means background of the page, something happened. What happened? The mobile number I entered is given to whom? Programming. The program is background performing what? Validation. What validation? The given mobile number is valid or not. The given mobile number valid or not. In the process of validation, it will access the validation part, also access the data available in the table. The data available in the table. Tell me, in the process of registration, already I created my account. Na? After creating my account, I am logging. The given mobile number, validation means checking the given data right or wrong. Then it is also taking the database help. In a database, already I stored mobile number. Na? It is going to database and verifying, is this mobile already available? Yes. Then doing the calculation. Calculation is nothing but generating the next screen. What the next screen coming? What the next screen coming? Enter password. So tell me, we have validation and also we have calculation and then result, and the result is displayed. The result is nothing but next screen. Now the next screen, here I am entering my password. I forgot my password. blah, blah, I entered. Then click on what button? Sign in. When I click on sign in, tell me once again, everyone should speak, okay? When I click on sign in button, what happened? This input password, what that arrow mark is called? What that arrow mark is called? Passing. What do we call? Come on. This password is passed to program. Then program again perform validation, checking the given password available in the database or not. If a password is available, then do the calculation and then go for what? Next screen is printed. If the given password is wrong, result generated, error generated. Error generated, and the error is coming back to the end user screen. Let us see now what happened. What is coming? Error. What message coming? Tumri fellow. Look at the red color coming. Na? Red color means the server scolding you. Are Tumri fellow, worst fellow. Your password is incorrect, right? Enter correctly. Okay, na? You have to feel it. You have to feel it. There was a problem. Your password is correct, is incorrect. Enter again. Enter password again correctly. Then tell me, whenever you see a small screen, background, what is happening? This is the project architecture. So tell me, when you can remember this project architecture, whatever happening in the websites, up to now you are working like a user. Click, get to. Again click, again get to. But now onwards, if you remember this project architecture, you will click, get, understand the flow now. Let us try to apply one more level. Now going back. Everyone ready to answer? This is my Amazon login page, reporter, home page. In that home page, I wanted to buy some product. Let's say this is a summer season, winter season. Any sweaters are there? Sorry, I want to buy this JBL, what do you call headphones, earphones. When I click on this earphone button, what happened? Tell me. Come on here, you know already. Tell me in English. Simply you have to speak in English. When I click on this earphone image, what happened background? This earphone information page coming now. Click on it and get the page. Page is coming. Where? Within my system or from the server? From the server. Everything coming from server. Everyone try to answer now. This page I got from the server means when I click on that image, that means some input I am generating now. Tell me the flow without looking at the project architecture visualize. Now in place of form I click what? Image. This image has generated some input. That input is giving to, come on here, program. Then program performing what? Validations and calculation, interacting with the database. In the database, it is asking the database, can you give me this particular product information? Where is that product information available? In HTML format? No. In the programmer? No. Where it is available? In database table. Then the program is approaching to the database table and asking, database table, please give me this product information. Then now the database table return that product information to program. Then program generate what? Result page. And the result page it is a form or report. The report is coming to the end user browser, display to the end user. So tell me, here you got error output. That output coming from the programmer database. Now tell me the entire flow, end user to browser form to program validations calculation to database back to program to HTML report to the end user. Everybody got the flow? Then tell me, this product is having all this information. What is the price of this product? Come on everyone, what the price of this product? 1,299. Come on guys, you have to participate. 1,299, and provided how much discount? 54% discount. Final price is what? 599. Tell me, Is it UI part, database part, programming mathematics part? Programming mathematics. What is the amount? 1300. What is the discount on this amount? 54%. Final result is what? 599. This is called validation or calculation. Who will do this calculation? Program. Who will do in the project that program develop? You. Okay, you all join this course for developing this HTML page, backend database, and the program validations and calculation, everything. Why I'm here? To train you how to develop this HTML page, to train you how to develop the program, how to train you how to develop the database, to train you how to connect all the three parts and flow that inputs from HTML form to database, output from database to HTML form. Understood what you are learning next coming 6 months? Next coming 6 months, you are learning this small dabba. Okay? Next coming 6 months, your journey is what? Learning this dabba. Ante. Okay? By end of this course, if you learn this entire project with all the full stack Java technologies, you can claim yourself, hello, I'm a full stack developer, give me a job. Then company, when you call you, will company dare to leave you? Dare to lose you? Never. Why? Company want high skilled person. Now I am providing the full depth knowledge with complete project architecture. By the time end of the course completed, you are developing one project. Then company is looking for a experienced fresher. Experienced means you should know everything. Fresher means work for a less amount, 10,000 rupees. And 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs you work, then you are called fresher. With this heavy knowledge, a experienced person they wanted to hire, they have to pay 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs package. The same company can hire from Naresh IT. Company can hire from Naresh IT the complete 3+ years of experienced people at less package. So that's why companies are coming to Naresh IT for recruiting the candidates. Okay, na? Why we are successful in the providing the placements? Because we are not compromising in giving the quality of the subject, and by end of the course completed, you are developing full one project. So that in company project is first project or second project? Second project. Now, final conclusion, tell me, what is the project architecture? You got clarity. So this is software development life cycle. As part of software development life cycle, you are involving in coding and unit testing. As part of coding and unit testing, you are performing 3 codings. What is that? UI, programming, and database. Then as part of UI programming database, you are going to develop these all the parts. And tell me, what is full stack development? The process of developing a complete project end to end is called what? Full stack development. And end to end means from the front end screens to back end database table. When I am speaking these words, are you listening words or visualizing the project? I am asking question. Are you just listening the sentence or are you visualizing the back end project? Back end project already you have learned. Are you visualizing the project on the sentence? If you are not visualizing the backend project for the sentences, then you will feel you are not involved in the listening and learning. Tomorrow onwards, you have to change your way of learning. You have to speak and you have to connect the previous slide to next slide. So repeat once again, what is the full stack development? The process of developing a complete project. Whenever I say complete project, what do you have to understand? Oh, the entire dabba na, UI, programming and database is called what? Full stack development. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of end to end? And end to end means from the front end screens to back end database. Every project has 3 parts: front end, middleware, back end. Front end is called UI screens, middleware is called programs, back end is called what? Database. For example, Amazon.in. It contains all the 3 parts. Then what is the meaning of full stack Java development? First part is full stack development. Second part is what? Full stack Java development. If we develop a project by using Java language and its frameworks. Now tell me, if I develop this programming part by using Java and Java frameworks, Then we call it as what? Full stack Java development. Front end we are developing by using HTML and React. Middleware programs we are developing Java and Spring Boot. Backend we are developing by using Oracle database. Then we call it as what? Full stack Java development. Sir, do you have other full stack developments? Yes, we have full stack Java development, full stack Python development, full stack data science development, full stack .NET development, full stack different UI development also we have. So what is changing from one full stack to another full stack? The programming part is changing. Front end is the same and back end is also same. Then now observe here. A end-to-end means from the front end to back end, every project contains three parts. What is that? UI screens, programs, and database. This UI front end, UI screens are called generally front end. The program and database both together is called what? Back end. Okay. Then what are the syllabus of our full stack Java development? Just now you learn every project perform two kinds of operation. What are the two kinds? Development and after development. Now every project, as part of the development, every project has three parts of development: UI, programming, and database. Full stack Java development course we divided into 5 modules. Who? Naresh IT. We divided into 5 modules for you to learn course easily and complete easily and parallelly. Easily and parallelly. What are the 5 course? Java module, database module, UI module. And tell me, Java module is meant for developing program part. Database module for developing database tables. UI module for developing UI forms and reports. Then why the extra 4 and 5 modules? DevSecOps tools, AWS basics. And tell me, after development, development completed. After development, I have to perform operations are called what? Build, deploy, test, many other small operations you have to do. To perform those small operations, I need one software. Na? For building, I need one software. For deploying, I need one software. For testing, I need one software. For sharing the code, I need one software. So there are different softwares or small buji softwares I required. Those softwares are called DevOps tools. Okay, na? Next, once your project is ready, it's built. Now I want to deploy and run. For deploying and running, I need one server. Na? One server software is required. That server software is what? AWS, Amazon Web Services. Olden days, every company have their own local server will be there. Because of local server, lot of cost is increasing to the companies. That's why what people did, they started hiring the space from the cloud. Cloud is nothing but one computer, a big computer available. From there, we are buying some space. That is called what? Cloud. You know, Uber, Ola, Rapido. Tell me, you wanted to you want available in Hyderabad for 1 month. And you want to travel from one place to another place. For this 1 month purpose, will you buy a bike or car? No. What are you doing? Whenever you want to travel from one place to another place, you are booking one car from Uber or Ola or Rapido, using for that some time and then leaving it. Same way, instead of buying the big server computer, companies are decided buying the space from Amazon server, AWS server. In that space, we are deploying our project, we are creating our database and running our project. Whenever I wanted to leave it, then what are you doing? You are leaving that space and then just simply you are taking rental. One server computer you are taking rental. For that AWS basics also you have to learn. Companies are using AWS for deploying the project. Hence you should learn. So tell me now, totally how many modules are there? 5. First one, Java module, database module, UI module, DevSecOps module, and AWS basics. Java module for developing programming part, database module for developing database part, UI module for developing UI part, and the DevOps module for performing after development operations, build, deploy, and test, and AWS providing server to deploy your project and run our project. Everyone understand this part? Then let us go in detail. Courses for developing full stack Java project. In that, courses for project development, Java module has 5 courses: Core Java, Advanced, Spring, Spring Boot, and Microservices. Next, database contain Oracle. Oracle contain 2 parts, SQL and PLSQL. And the next, UI contain 5 courses: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React.js. Okay, next, after learning these 3 modules, can you develop one full-fledged complete project? Yes. But you have to build the project, deploy the project, test the project, share your code to another developer. Lot of other works you have to do. Courses for development operation, building, deploying, testing purpose. We have DevOps tools: Git, GitHub, Maven, Gradle, Log4j, SL4j, JUnit, Mockito, JMeter, Jira, Jenkins, Docker, Kafka. Jenkins, Docker, Kafka are the most important. Jira is missing here. Jira, Jenkins, Docker, okay, Jira spelling I missing here. Jira, Jenkins, Docker, Kafka. These 4 tools are the most important trending tools in the market now. We are also included them free of cost here. Okay, right. Next, now AWS basics. As part of AWS basics, how much you learn as a full stack developer? No need to learn complete AWS. It's a big course, 2 months course. No need to learn that much. You have to learn how to install the web server, and next, how to install database, how to deploy the project, how to run the project, how to provide access to the client for our project. This much knowledge if you learn, that is sufficient. So whatever the knowledge you required for developing one complete project, to pass the interviews, to get the job, sustaining in the company. Hello, getting job is easy. Tell me, in the cricket, getting place is easy. But after getting place, sustaining the place and number of years playing is difficult. Lot of competition will be there. So after getting job, performing in the company as part of your job is very difficult. That is also we are training. And how to impress the interviewer, team lead, team manager, client to get the more salary, more hike, more position. That is also I will teach you. Start from zero to the end project development, getting job, surviving the company. Every technique what you require, we will provide you. Start with me, and the next level other faculties also coming. In this entire full stack Java syllabus, I am teaching core Java and I am teaching advanced Java. Spring Boot microservices will teach by one other faculty. Database will teach by one other faculty. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap will teach by one faculty. React.js teach by another faculty. Each circle is one faculty. Okay. Core Java, advanced Java, I will only teach. Next, DevOps tools. All these tools will teach by one faculty. AWS basics will teach by another faculty. So totally, how many faculties are coming for you to train? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 faculties are coming. Everyone got clarity here? Right? First, you are starting with which course? Core Java. Then tell me, sir, how many days this course will take to complete, sir? What is the process of completing? What is the roadmap for completing this course? Can I learn one after one? Core Java, then advanced Java, then Spring Boot, then microservices, then Oracle, then HTML. If you go one after one course, if you learn, to complete full stack Java course, it will take 2 years. Pakka. Do you have 2 years of time? Do you have 2 years of time? No, sir, I have only 2 months of time, sir. Then don't join this course. Hey, people who are keeping only 2 months or 3 months as a deadline to complete the course to get the job, then full stack Java is not suitable to you. There are some students are coming and started creating lot of pressure on me. Sir, complete course, sir, complete course, sir, complete course, sir. My family problems are there, sir. Okay, now I fall in love, sir. My lover waiting for me to marriage. I have to get the job, sir. So many pressure is creating on me. That's why in the demo class only I am giving you namaskar and saying, if you have family problems or some lover problems or some other problems, within deadlines you want to get the job, complete the course, please don't join my course. You have sufficient time to learn Java to get the job, please join. Okay. If you are in a pressure, don't make me pressure by joining the course. I am dividing this course for college going students, college completed students, working employees. Okay. I divided this course into multiple levels. So this is 5 modules you have to learn, sir. Now these 5 modules you can learn in a 2 modes. 2 modes you can learn. One after one, first course, then second course, then third course, then fourth course. Who are college going students, first year student, second year BTech student, third year BTech student or final year BTech student or MCA student. If you are a college going student, academics are not completed, choose one course only because you have sufficient time. Is it clear? Sir, already I completed course, sir. I am waiting for my job. I already resigned from my office. Now I am waiting for the full stack Java development course job. Then you have to go parallel. Parallel means what? Per day you have to choose 3 courses. You have to join 3 courses in 3 different slots. 7:30 to 9 you have to join core Java. If you go outside in the notice board, Oracle course, HTML courses are already announced for your full stack Java development. Oracle course is one time, HTML is another time. Let us try to find out. Website is NareshIT.com. Go to training, go to new batches, training, new batches. If you scroll down, you'll find, look at here, Oracle by 25th, what the time? 4 p.m. So 3 courses are starting at a time for you full stack Java students. What the first course? Core Java. What is the time? 7:30 a.m. Okay. Next, Oracle course you have to join. What is the time? 4 p.m. by the expert faculty Sudhakar Elsa. You will enjoy like anything. Next, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap also will be there. Then this course will be at, oh my God, it is at 7:30 a.m. only. HTML, JavaScript starting at same time 7:30 a.m. So wait for this batch. Next batch will start. Next week it will start. So don't worry about it. So now 2 courses you join, Core Java and Oracle. Core Java and Oracle. Core Java morning time 7:30 a.m. Oracle evening 4 p.m. You have sufficient time to practice also. In the next week, HTML new batch will be announced. That time you join HTML also. So tell me, sequentially one after another course if you join, duration will be 1 year. If you are a college going student, it is suitable to you. If you are college completed student, in parallel you have to join per day 2 or 3 courses you have to join, 6+ months it will take. Level 1 you have to join Core Java, Oracle and HTML. It will take 2 to 3 months to complete. All these 3 courses maximum will take what? 3 months. Next, Advanced Java, level 2 Advanced Java you have to join. Advanced Java has a prerequisite. Core Java, Oracle, HTML to start, there is no prerequisite. But Advanced Java to start, the prerequisite is Core Java, Oracle and HTML. After 45 days completed, totally how many days these 3 courses will take? 3 months. But after 45 days completed, you have to join for what? Advanced Java. Advanced Java after 20 days completed, then you have to join DevOps. Okay, Advanced Java and DevOps, including the remaining time of 45 days, within 1.5 month, we can complete Advanced Java and DevOps tools. Okay, then after joining Advanced Java, after these 3 courses fully completed, Advanced Java 50% of the course, DevOps 25% of course completed, then join Spring Boot microservices course. Means after 3 months, you are joining Spring Boot course. So first 3 months, Oracle, Core Java, Oracle, HTML and Advanced Java run. After 3 months fully completed, Spring Boot microservices, you are joining. In Spring Boot microservices, after Advanced Java course fully completed, then go forward, React.js. Sir, when AWS? Here only, plus AWS. So, Advanced Java plus DevOps tools plus AWS you have to join. Okay. And then after 3 months completed, first 3 courses completed, Spring Boot microservices. After Advanced Java course completed, React.js. Then finally, after these all courses completed, go for job search. So maximum you will take 6 to 7 months to complete if you follow this parallel approach. No sir, my brain not that much talented sir. Only per day 1 course only I can learn. Then you are disturbing your brain. You are making your brain lazy. You are wrongly tuning your brain. Your brain is capable of learning 3 courses per day, no doubt, we will take care of it. So don't tune your brain only one course wrong, because one course will take how many hours per day? 2 hours. Then remaining 22 hours, what will you do? Beavers roaming on the road, on the floor, rolling that side, this side, on your bed only, na? Yes or no? You are not doing except that. So that's why tell to your brain, you can learn 3 courses per day. Bend your body, leave the laziness, go to the lab, practice in the lab, 3 courses per day. Core Java, Oracle and HTML. So currently how many courses started for your full stack Java course? 2. Core Java and Oracle. So I provided you what are the syllabus, what is the syllabus of full stack Java, and what is the structure of learning full stack Java roadmap I gave you. So now with this, we wind up our today's session. Last class, I already gave you what is the fee duration. Okay, fee and duration. Full stack Java development fee is 20,000. Duration is 6+ months. Material will be provided by the faculty of the particular course via Google Classroom or Google Drive. Okay, recordings and placements. Recordings also we are providing, but you have to pay extra fees. Placements, no extra fees. We are providing placement for a free of cost. I'll share you the details of the contact of the admin details in tomorrow class. Is it clear? Right. So this is our course details, everything. Now tell me, with this information, yesterday class I got introduction to me and I got introduction to yourself and the target what you have to learn. Not Java, you have to learn project development. Today we have learned project development, project architecture. How many parts are there? To develop these parts, what is the what do you call what are the different courses you have to learn? Okay, then what is the order of learning the courses? What is the roadmap for learning the courses also I gave you. By yesterday and today class, you got full clarity in your brain what you are learning, why you are learning, how much fees you have to pay, what is the order of learning, per day how many hours you have to spend. Complete information I provided. Is it clear now? Still if you have any confusions or doubts, you can wait after class and you can ask your questions. Okay, today I'm done with my job. I gave you full information. Tomorrow we are going to write notes for all these things. What is software development life cycle? What is the project architecture? In each part what you are doing, and then following by olden days what developers are doing as per latest trend, what developer are doing, why you are called full stack developer course fees, full stack developer course syllabus and roadmap, whatever learn these 2 days. Tomorrow we are going to write notes first half an hour, and then we start our core Java. First course, core Java. In core Java we start our first chapter, introduction to Java. What is Java, why Java, how to develop programs in Java, and our hello world program, and next following by other mathematical programs will start. Do you all comfortable? Are you okay with my teaching, with my English, my flow, speed? Any concerns? No problem? Huh? Okay. Everyone? Okay. Tomorrow I will share you Google Classroom link for you to join. Okay, na? So today already time up. It's 9 o'clock. So I have another batch now. Tomorrow I'll give you Google Classroom. There you can join and we can have interaction through Google Classroom from tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. sharp. If you have any doubts, you can come and ask. If no doubts, if you got clarity, you can leave. Online students, even you can also. If you have any doubts, you can ask the doubts now. Archana and other students, if you have doubts, please ask questions. Google Class. Not understand. Okay, done. Online students, do you have any questions? Mohammed, can you click on raise button? You have raise hand button is there, check. Please click on it. Yeah, you can unmute. I gave the option for unmute to ask your questions.
This was a wonderful session. I have a question. Are we also
Archana?
touch basing? Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear.
Perfect. Thank you. This was a wonderful session, and I'm so sorry about the questions. I
No
have a
problem. Just I'm guiding you. Okay.
question on do we touch base on the no structured database or no SQL database like MongoDB, Couchbase?
MongoDB, yeah. MongoDB will taught in Spring Boot microservices course.
Okay.
That no need to join separate course. That will be part of Spring Boot microservices. How to work with MongoDB idea we will provide, not as a separate course.
Got it. I'm also working in parallel. I'm trying to level up. So my
Okay.
question is, I would have hard time in picking up, I think three, but two maybe I should consider. And I also work on a different time zone. I'm from a different country altogether. So I was wondering how does that will help? How will it help? Like in picking the courses and the batch schedules. It's
Yeah,
already my
you have, yeah, we will schedule on the Indian time, okay? Morning 7 a.m. to night 7 p.m. We will schedule the batches time on Indian time. So every week new batches will come. So according to your time facility, time availability, you can choose that batches, or else you can go for the recordings. Okay, approach the admin will guide you how to register for the recordings.
Hello, sir. As you,
Yeah, Priyanka.
yes, sir. Good morning. As you told, per day we you are
Hello. Hello.
what is the courses per day?
I'm unable to hear you, Nana.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Now can you tell me?
As you provided 2 or 3 courses per day. So, what is the time? What is the time of?
The time of other courses already I informed now. Oracle course is at 4 p.m. Visit NareshIT.com website.
Okay. Another.
Yeah, currently 2 courses started. Oracle course Java and Oracle HTML course will be started in the next week. Okay. Yeah, Vaishnavi. In full stack course only, you have to do 3 courses parallel. Okay. You take admission to full stack Java course and you will attend 3 courses in parallel.
Sir, I
24. 23, 23 అంటే మీరు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్గా ట్రై చేయాలి ఫ్రెషర్గా జాబ్ రాదు బీకామ్ మీద విత్ 1 year 2 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తోటి 23 కదా 24 అయిపోయింది కదా మీ కోర్స్ అంతా అయిపోతే 25 ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎండ్కి వస్తుంది సో 2 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ తోటి మీరు జాబ్ అని ట్రై చేయాలి ఫ్రెషర్గా జాబ్ రాదు బీకామ్ వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రెషర్గా జాబ్ రాదు ఒకసారి ఆఫీస్లో కూడా అడగండి వాళ్ళని అడిగితే మీకు ఇంకా క్లారిటీ ఇస్తారు ప్లేస్మెంట్ వాళ్ళతో అడిగితే వాళ్ళు ప్లేస్మెంట్లో బీకామ్ వాళ్ళకి ఉందా లేదా అడిగితే చెప్తారు వాళ్ళు సరేనా Okay, online students. So today there is a mic issue problem. Tomorrow, can I answer your questions?
yes.
Okay, no? Tomorrow, first I will clear all your doubts and I will start the session. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you all tomorrow. A mic change.